Hey guys, it's Caitlin here. Recently I've been super obsessed with clay earrings on Pinterest and Instagram. They're just so cute and bold and colorful, and it looked super fun to make. It's like painting, but less messy and just more sculptable. I think it's easier. So I just wanted to set out to build myself some earrings, and since this video I've probably made about 50 other sets of earrings, all unique, all different. It's been so fun. A couple people have bought a couple pairs, which wasn't my idea when I started doing this, but now I can see it as an option. But anyway, let's get to it. I first started out by rolling out some white clay just as like a base, and I ripped out a couple chunks of other clay and just stuck it on top. And once I had my little kind of like terrazzo design, I just rolled it out nice and flat, as even as I could. And as you can see, it's really hard to peel off, so I should have put parchment paper down. So I transferred it onto parchment paper, rolled it out a little bit more, and then went ahead and cut out all my different shapes. You have to make sure that you get 2 of every different shape that you cut, because earrings are a pair and they need 2 to be even. So just keep that in mind when you're planning out all your punches. So I just cut out some big ones, some small ones, and then I went ahead and just took like my medium circle cookie cutter and punched out a couple holes in the other pairs too. I wanted to make some of the medium circles into little hoops as well, but I knew I was cutting it close with the backing of the earrings, so I just laid it down to measure where I could actually place the little hole, which was a little bit off center, but I think it still kind of looks cute. So I've cut out all the pieces that I can from this set of clay, so I just put them to the side for baking later, and I just decided to roll out some purple clay and just kind of get some solid colors in there to play off of all the patterns. So I cut out some large circles, and then I also cut out some medium circles as well. After that, I just took all of my clay scrappings and I just smushed it all into a ball and then rolled it out. It was kind of like a cool tie-dye, and I just cut out more shapes of those as well. So now that I have all my pieces, I'm going to put them in the oven for about 25 minutes at 275 degrees, but just follow the directions on your package of clay. So once they're all dry, they look great. I'm just going to play around and kind of match them up with how I'd like them to be. But once I have them all laid out, I'm just going to take some E6000, which is very strong super glue. It's like contact cement basically for the crafting world. I just took a little toothpick and just placed down all my pieces, and I let them dry for 72 hours before I flipped them over and put on the backings of the earrings. Once you let them cure for 72 hours, they're all yours to dress up and wear out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to see more. I put out crafty videos. Me and Dalton put out funny videos, lifestyle videos, anything really you want. If you want to see me tackle a project, just let me know what it is down below and I will try and do it. Thanks guys. See you later.